Follow these simple steps to remove and install the rear wiper blade on your Kia Sportage. Step 1. Lift the wiper arm away from the rear window to access the blade. Step 2. Rotate the wiper blade so that it is perpendicular to the wiper arm. Step 3. Gently pull the blade outward to remove it. There are no locking clips. Just lift, turn, and pull. It's that easy. Once the old blade is off, take your new wiper blade, align the new blade with the wiper arm and push it into place until you hear or feel a click. Make sure it's securely attached. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the rear window. If this video was useful to you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content.